Hi kids! Today we're going to talk about trash. These are household things that I use in my house, and maybe it'll be interesting to somebody other than me. So, first of all, let's start off with all of these plastic things I have sitting here. Dial bar soap, antibacterial. This was 12 4-ounce bars. I got it for cheap at grocery outlet. Lavender is not my favorite scent. I think lavender smells like cheap perfume. But it has jasmine in it, so I thought that would be good. No, not really. I mean, it's not terrible. I'll use it, but I'm not excited. But it was super cheap. So next, this is the brand of napkins that I like to use. I use napkins mostly in here when I'm dealing with makeup products, but I use it for other things as well. But these are the soft and silky. They're thin, but they hold up well enough for what I need. I get these off of the Holler website. I'll connect that down below in the description. I like them. Next, we have the bag for Viva multi-surface cloth, paper towels. These are a little bit more scrubby than the other ones. I also get the other ones that are Viva twice as more durable, whatever, signature cloth, soft like cloth. I use these in the kitchen because they are way more durable. These get used like for cleaning up in the living room or whatever and stuff. Just, you know, different things need different cleanup. Yeah. Does that make sense? So, anyways, next, garbage bags. I just get all of my trash bags down at Walmart. I have a Walmart like 2 blocks from where I live. Maybe. Yeah, like 2-3 blocks. So I can just take my bike down there. I get the Great Value, which is the Walmart brand, tall trash bags. This is vanilla scent, which I hate the scents. They just really aggravate all of my sinuses. And I have the small flap tie 4-gallon. These I use for the little trash buckets that we have around the house. They're like little trash containers and little bins. That's the word I was looking for, bins. You know, like in the bathroom, and one here at my makeup, one at my desk, you know, various little spots. And one to clean up the cats. So the cats have their own. Speaking of cats, I'll show you the cats. Purina Tidy Cats. This is the Pure Nature Clumping Cat Litter. It has cedar, pine, and corn. I got this off of Amazon. And I will link this product below because I think it's so wonderful. Now, I was getting World's Best Cat Litter in the red bag, and the bathroom where the cat box is smelt like a feed store. I don't like to use the clay because I figure, you know, it's not good for them. And it's not good for me either, because if they kick that litter out of their cat litter box and I step on it, it's painful. So, and then if that clay gets onto any piece of carpet in your house, that's it. It's in the carpet forever. You can use all the vinegar you want all day long, but it's never really going to get all of it out. I know my apartment flooded, and yeah, cat litter went on the carpet and it never came out. So anyways, I started using World's Best Cat Litter, which is corn-based. And every time I would go into the bathroom, it would smell like a feed store. Now, if you live in a rural area, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I would go in there and I would imagine, okay, there's going to be like a little container of baby chicks and a horse bridle hung up on the wall or something. I mean, that's genuinely what it reminded me of, a feed store. So, I started using this, and it doesn't smell so much like a feed store because it has the cedar and the pine in it as well as the corn, because World's Best Cat Litter is just corn-based. But with this, it has that cedar pine smell, and I walk into the bathroom now and it smells like a hamster cage. I mean, a clean hamster cage, but it kind of smells like a hamster cage. So I kind of like it better than the feed store smell. Yeah. I mean, it sounds weird to talk about your cat's cat litter box. Speaking of cats, my cat passed away, and I still have her sister, and she's kind of freaking out. I don't blame her. I'm kind of freaking out too. But anyways, laundry. So laundry. I like to use the Purex for babies. This is my favorite scent because it has that very baby clean smell. And it just smells really good. I used to just use it on my blankets, but now I just use it on everything. Next is the Purex Stain Fighting and Bright Booster. This makes your whites whiter and your blues bluer. It's a good product. I don't use it all the time. Sometimes I just use it because if you bleach too much of your whites, they start to turn yellow, and this will counteract that. So, next, dish soap. I just used the Ajax. This was a limited edition scent with the Spring Citrus Blast. We have a dishwasher, but there are some of my items that I prefer to wash by hand than put in the dishwasher. And then lastly, we have the soft soap Clean Splash hand soap. Not my favorite. And then I have the soft soap antibacterial Crisp Clean. This is more my favorite, but not really. I like the Dial. That's the one I really want. But we have the hand soap dispensers, and they're automatic, so when you put your hand under it, it automatically dispenses the soap, so you don't have to get your dirty, nasty hands all over everything. And I like using the Dial, but I will get, depending what store I'm at, I will get whatever is orange, because the one in the bathroom is completely clear and I don't want to mix colors or anything. So we get what's orange. And that's what we got. So anyways, that's my household empties, and I'm so glad to be getting this out of my house because it was starting to fill up under my sink. That's where I've been putting everything. So anyways, hit like, hit subscribe, especially, you know, I don't know if anybody likes watching these videos, so if you do, hit like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!